So the way to bulk upload content on the Canva is pretty easy. All you need is your Excel or a file that you've got all your data in, and I recommend starting out with having all your quotes or all your information on an Excel or a numbers document. So I've generated 25 quotes based off ChatGPT, so these are just design inspiration quotes. But depending on your content, if you've got a bunch of content ready to go, including text, put them in a CSV or an Excel doc, and save that as a CSV file. So this is the numbers doc that I've got here because it's an Apple, but I've got this document saved as a CSV on the desktop here. So the way to upload this onto Canva, I'm just starting fresh with a new document. I'm going to start by picking a template. So what you want to do is pick a template that you want to start with. And from here is where you can upload your content and replace all this quote text with the text that you've got on that Excel. The way to do this is just go to left here and go to apps, and then scroll down to bulk create. So this is where you can bulk create your data by uploading it. So the way to do this is just go upload data because you've saved it as a CSV, and that's my document here. So you can see that the data is being read, and then we're choosing the text box where we want this data to be. So all you need to do is connect data, or just go right click and connect data, and then it will find the data that it has. It will change the cursor to a hand, and then you can see that it's aligning it. So it's being activated so you can find the data. Go continue, and you can see that you can apply data to 24 or 25 canvases. So Canva will auto generate these canvases based off how many lines of data that you have. So it's a pretty neat way to do it. So all you need to do is just go generate, and then Canva will work hard and will create all of these templates based off the data that you have. So there you go. Keeping in mind that depending on the length of the quote, obviously you just need to triple check the way that each of these tiles has been formatted. And if, say for example, you've got a person from the quote that's posted here, so you might have to do a bit of editing on each of the canvases. So this is where you can basically move things around. You can change it. So you don't like the background color, you want to make these unique. This is where you can basically edit each one of these quotes to be as unique as possible. You can turn them into a video if you want. Let's change it. So we want to make this something a bit more nice or inspirational. Obviously we can change the text and do something a bit more nicer. It's just an example, but so we really like the yellow or the white. Maybe we'll just change the text to the black and white, so on and so forth. So this is where you can basically customize each one of these canvases and make them unique. So you're not obviously repeating the same style of content over and over again as well. So it's a nice way to just speed up the process if you've got a lot of content. So yeah, just make sure you save this as your artwork file, and then if you need to download all of them together, hit download, and then you can download all 24 pages in one go as well, as MP4s or JPEGs as well, depending on what you need them for. Okay, nice and simple. If you've got any questions, just let me know. I'll leave a comment in the comments and I'll try and respond. If you need help, just let me know also, and I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks.